What if the key to creativity, clarity, and powerful ideas is not thinking harder, but moving more? Most people try to unlock their potential by reading more, studying more, and forcing their brain to work harder. But the truth is, your brain doesn't just think, it responds to movement. And if you want to activate your creative, intuitive, problem-solving side, daily movement might be the simplest and most powerful tool you have. Today we are talking about how movement unlocks the right side of your brain and how just a few minutes a day can completely change how you think, feel, and create. Your brain did not evolve sitting in a chair. It evolved while walking, climbing, reaching, balancing, exploring, and reacting to the environment. Movement is not separate from thinking. Movement is part of thinking. When you move your body, blood flow to the brain increases, oxygen delivery improves, neural connections activate faster, sensory input becomes richer, awareness expands, your brain becomes more alive, and this is especially important for the right hemisphere, the side associated with creativity, imagination, spatial awareness, emotional intelligence, pattern recognition, and intuition. These functions don't thrive under rigid stillness. They thrive in motion. Modern life traps us in stillness. We sit to work, we sit to study, we sit to relax, we sit to think, but stillness without purpose slowly narrows perception. When the body becomes passive, sensory input decreases, energy drops, awareness shrinks, thinking becomes repetitive, creativity weakens. This is why people feel mentally stuck after hours of sitting, not because they lack intelligence, but because their brain is understimulated physically. Movement is stimulation, movement is information, and movement is activation. Without it, the creative brain goes quiet. The right side of the brain processes the big picture. It connects sensations, it reads space, it notices subtle patterns, it integrates emotion and environment, and movement fits all of that. When you stretch, balance, crawl, walk, or flow through space, your brain receives a flood of sensory data. Where your limbs are, how your weight shifts, how space surrounds you, how rhythm feels, how effort changes over time. This is full brain engagement. You are not just exercising muscles, you are training perception, and perception is the foundation of creativity. Repetitive thinking creates mental loops. Same environment, same posture, same routine, same thoughts. Movement interrupts those loops. Changing posture changes perspective. Changing rhythm changes emotion. Changing physical effort changes mental energy. This is why ideas often appear while walking, during stretching, after workouts, and while pacing around the room. Movement resets the nervous system. It tells the brain something is changing, pay attention. And attention is where insight lives. Consistency matters more than intensity. After daily movement, people often notice ideas come faster, problems feel easier to solve, emotions regulate naturally, focus improves, imagination becomes vivid, mental fatigue decreases. Why? Because the brain is not meant to operate in isolation from the body.